Hello everyone, it's your girl again, Lawyer Chef. I'm cooking for you today okra soup, okra with oxtail. So I have the ingredients here already. A quarter teaspoon of a cinnamon, of turmeric, Nigerian house pepper, homemade spice, Cameroon pepper, white pepper, minced herbs, ground minced spices, all-purpose seasoning. This is crayfish cubes. Okay, this is Erring fish, dry Erring fish and salt to taste. Quarter cup mixture of ground stockfish, crayfish and prawns. Then we have watch bitter leaves for bitter sweet taste. Then we have palm oil. Then we have half cup of locust beans paste. Then all locust beans. Then we have Scotch bonnets. Then 320 grams of mushrooms. Then we have half kilo blended and diced okra. Then this is blended, half kilo blended okra and the diced okra. Half kilo each. Then we have 1 green mackerel. Then we have our oxtails. Yeah, the oxtail has been seasoned, marinated and cooked. We've been cooking it for about 45 minutes to 60 minutes now for it to cook and to fry in its own juice, its own oil. So this has been cooked, properly cooked and fried in its own oil. So we proceed to cooking now. All right, so the oxtail has been cooked and fried in its own oil. So we are starting to cook the okra now. I'm going to add some water into my pot. I'm adding Scotch bonnet. So this is half cup to have the spices. This has been added to season the oxtail already. So I'm going to add this. I'm adding the spices or the seasoning and the spices into the water on the stove. So I'm going to add the Erring fish as well so it can cook and be soft before we add our okra. So I'm going to add half of this. This is crayfish and salt. This is 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add half now. Locust beans. This is palm oil. I'm adding palm oil. Let the pepper and the ingredient cook for about 20 minutes. Then we'll come back later. Now we are back again so I think it's well cooked now. So I'm going to add the washed bitter leaf and covered for about 5 minutes. Then I'll come back to add the other protein. To check on what we're cooking. So yeah, I'm going to add the oxtail now. Alright, we add it's juicy into it. Nothing must go to waste. It is Grandma Kitchen. The green mackerel and mushroom. And mix together. mix together and add the remaining crayfish seasoning. Come back later. All right, we're back. So we need to have the okra now. So first to go into it is the blended one. Going to reduce the heat and mix together thoroughly. See how slimy it is. So I'm going to have the chopped one. Just for that crunching, you know, that we want in our okra soup. Oh, this is beautiful. You can add more palm oil if you want. So, going to have the locust beans. Then we have our this is a grand mixture of stockfish, crayfish, and prawn. I'm going to add the whole thing. I like my prawn. So I'm going to taste for salt. Going to boil for. Cover for 5 minutes. Alright, we're back now. So our okra soup is ready. So it's simple and easy to make, and this looks so delicious. See how colorful it is now. The palm oil has come out. My grandmother sold palm oil, so we always very generous with our palm oil. Yeah, that's it. Okay, the water has boiled. I want to make amala for the okra soup. So I'm using cassava flour and the yam flour. I actually made this by myself. This homemade cassava and yam flour. mix it together. All right, Amala is ready. Going to dish now. This looks so beautiful. All right, let's add our okra. Yeah, this is our amala and okra soup. If you like this, please put your comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.